Hi guys, it's Adrienne, and this is your 2-minute vocal tip. You can get a lot of mileage out of quiet exercises. You don't need to be singing loud to warm up your voice. In fact, you shouldn't be singing loud at first to warm up your voice. So these fall into a category of exercises you can do every time you warm up. Just do them at the beginning. They're great first warm-ups. And like anything else, if you dive in too quickly, like say I want to go for a run, if I run out the front door and sprint down to the end of the block, I am going to be sore the next day. But if I walk first and then I jog and then I run and then I do my sprint, then I'm not going to be sore. Maybe a better chance at it anyway. You got to get those muscles moving first. So this one is a closed mouth one, so you can do it in places where you really don't want people to know that you're singing. And it's just chew and hum. They may think you're eating, but this one's really good to release tension as well, because a lot of times when we change pitch, we engage muscles that don't need to assist in changing pitch. So we could try a 1-3-5-3-1 pattern while chewing. I know it's weird. Anyway, let's go ahead and run a few more of those. I'll start right there where I was, and here we go. That looks so silly. I'm just imagining the thumbnail for this video. I feel like a cow. One more. No, one more. People are gonna think you have so much food in your mouth. Or the biggest piece of gum. Anyway, it's a great tip. Regardless, a lot of the best vocal tips just look or sound absurd or seem like they're not singing, but that's the way we do things. Anyway, give that one a try. I'll see you in the next one.